Hey guys, it's October, so it's time for a new competition. This month we are going to be doing Brahms Glacial Fisher from League of Legends. We've been doing mostly Smash Bros stuff, so I decided to change up the game a little bit. We're going to do League of Legends. We're trying to just expand into other areas for the competition. It's only the third month, but all you have to do is check out the link in the description, and you can send in your entry via uploading to YouTube. And when you upload to YouTube, all you have to do is copy the link and post that into the contact form. And then from there, you would also include your Discord handle, and then make sure that you put the source recordings, because that is one of the qualifications for this competition. Otherwise, you won't be considered for an entry. But other than that, all of the other rules are on the website link below, so you can check it out there. You can download the video for the source footage down below as well, and you can just get everything that you need to know there. The top 5 winners will receive feedback on their sound, and the number 1 winner will receive a free course. So I hope that is useful for you guys. But anyways, hope to see you guys in the competition. Hope to see you guys in the Discord channel as well. We're all talking there, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys make. Thanks.